Guys, good evening to all of you guys. By the way, this flower stand, guys, I pick up from the rubbish in Mount Richard, guys. I saw this one. Someone put it in the footpath, so they throwing things that they don't need it anymore. So when I saw it, I took it. I put it in my car. So now, guys, what I'm going to do with this, I'm preparing the cement, guys. In order, this one I put it in here and I put that one on the top. I just make a base here and then put this flower stand on the top of the base. Then after that, I put another pile of cement so that this one, guys, easy to fill down, like, one click. It's, the flower. Well, this one, it's nice if you put this in the corner of your house, inside your house, so in the corner. So yeah, the thing is, because I want to put this outside, guys, so that's why I make a base, like a cement pot, in order it doesn't easily fall down. So this is what I'm making. And well, anyway, I'm still mixing this one, guys. I'm still mixing, mix with the water. You know what, guys? The man job, I also do it instead. This is man job. No, man and woman the same. Yes, the same. Man and woman, guys, the same. So this is like this. Yes, like that, guys. Yeah. No. So we need to put more. So like that, guys. Then I need to do this, so that the cement will goes to the hole. There is a hole, this one, guys. The stand, because what I did before, see, look, there's no stand here because I did not shake the pot. So only this portion, and this one, no stand. There's no lots of cement because I did not shake. I didn't shake it. So now I have to do like this. See? Now after that, up you go. Oh. Yes. So this is, guys, this is what happened. No, I need to do this like this. Now I put the cement. I will cover that one. Then until that, I have to leave for a couple of hours to dry the cement. So that's all, guys. And that's all, guys. So no need for me to buy in the shop because I already pick up. I pick it up from rubbish from the footpath. Guys, here in Australia, guys, you can take, things that is still good. In other countries, you cannot do this. You can't because here people here, guys, are throwing things. They buy, they buy, they buy things, and then once they don't like it, they chuck it. Yes, this is the life here in Australia. Oh my goodness me. Now I need to put water, a bit water, Yes. So the because the cement not enough water. I'm cleaning the floor, guys, because there are plenty of poo. So guys, I will show you the the one that I made 2 weeks ago. So this is what happened, guys. So I have to stand up this one. Oh, no. Up you go. Okay. Super. Now, guys, see? Look at that. See? Ano lang siya, kimpang-kimpang. So, I need to put cement on the yung feet niya, guys. See, look. So, not easily to even the dog can't, because there's still pot here with soil. So, and also I put pot here with plant. So, not easily to, push. It won't fall down easily. It won't fall down easily, guys. See? So that's it, guys. That's for now, for today. And thank you for watching, guys. So for me, I don't buy expensive thing because this is expensive, guys. The brand new one, when you buy this one when you will buy this in Bunnings, this one is very expensive. Yeah, especially metal. So no need for me to buy, guys. I don't want to buy. I have no money. Yeah, I have no money. All the pots that I have, all those pots, the big pots, I just pick it up in the rubbish, guys. Someone threw it. I pick it up, guys. Yes, I pick it up. All those pots with design and the big pots, some big pots, they put it in the rubbish. Even it's not quite like, looks brand new. As long as there's pots, it's okay for me. Just wash it and use it. Well, you can save money. And by the way, I cannot save money because I don't have money. So that's all for now, guys. So all these are rubbish. Even my table, guys, rubbish. Yes, and that one too, that is rubbish, guys. My round table. That's free. I took that one, guys, to 1 week ago. I put inside my car and I bring it here. Then I have a round table. One day I will leave these things. Bika! Ha! Oh my goodness me, my dog. Don't touch my flower. Okay, guys. See you next video, guys. Ay! Bye-bye.